Using a back brace can be a lifesaver. It can enable you to do the things you wouldn't be able to do, and using it in the right situations can help to prevent flare-ups and minimize the degeneration of your spine. As always, consult a professional to get individualized recommendations. With that said, we have several rules of thumb that can help you out. Number one, if you have a scoliosis, see a professional that specializes in bracing for scoliosis. There are many specific parameters and special bracing for the type of scoliosis that you have. Number two, making a habit of constantly wearing the back brace during the day will lead to a breakdown in your core muscles. You want to limit the usage of the brace to just the situations where your back is likely to get irritated. For example, when you're doing the laundry, put the brace on right before and take it off as soon as you're done. Now there's a caveat here. When recovering from an accident, such as a car accident, it can be okay to wear the brace for most of the day for a couple of weeks of recovery. Again, this is definitely something you want to consult with a professional on. Number three, there's no one-size-fits-all type of back brace. Some people need more stability from a brace, some people need more flexibility. Sometimes you may have to try out multiple braces before finding the model that works best for you. For a high-end and very supportive brace, our office recommends the Baja brand. You can also check the links in the description below for both rigid and more flexible back braces, which can be purchased on Amazon, that are also more budget friendly. Number four, you normally want to have your belly button roughly in the middle of the back brace, but you can move it up or down a little bit if it provides more stability that way. Here's how most back braces work. First, you latch on the first layer of the Velcro, and then normally there's a second layer that provides even more tightness around your waist. If you figure out these variables, what brace to wear, when to wear it, and how to wear it, a back brace can be an incredible investment. Something that enables you to do more of the things you enjoy with less pain, a tool you have in your back pocket in case your back ever gets injured in the future, and something that helps slow or prevent further degeneration of your back. One last pro tip for you. If you've recently injured your back and your provider recommended you icing your back multiple times throughout the day, you can use a back brace as a device that holds an ice pack against your back. This can be very helpful to keep icing your back even when you're on the go. If you'd like to stay up to date with more content on how to keep your spine healthy and pain-free, subscribe to our channel. And if you'd like to learn how to improve your posture, check out this video in our Total Spine Aligned series.